So me and my little brother went fishing the high river tonight. Here's what we caught. I caught 2 skipjacks. It's about a 10-inch skipjack. We're gonna toss him back. There he goes. And I caught another one that's about 8 inches long, and we're gonna toss him back too. There he goes. Then my little brother caught a about 10 or 11 inch spotted bass. Here he is. 1 second. Here he is. And now we're gonna put him back. There he goes.